Hello everyone! Welcome to King English class.
Today we will challenge your brain with interesting fruit quizzes in this video. You will guess the names of fruits through interesting questions and colorful images. Let's get started. I am red, juicy, and people use me for ketchup. What am I? I am a tomato. I am red, heart-shaped, and very sweet. What am I? I am a cherry. I am yellow, soft, and monkeys love me. What am I? I am a banana. I am pink outside and soft inside. What am I? I am a peach. I am orange, juicy, and round. What am I? I am an orange. I am purple, round, and called the queen of fruits. What am I? I am a mangosteen. I am brown, soft, and very sweet. What am I? I am a date. I am brown outside and green inside. What am I? I am a kiwi. I am green outside, white inside, and very big. What am I? I am a winter melon. I am small, orange, and sweet like candy. What am I? I am a tangerine. I am green outside and red inside with black seeds. What am I? I am a watermelon. I am green, crispy, and shaped like a bell. What am I? I am a pear. I am red, round, and sweet. What am I? I am an apple. I am red and have a crown on my head. What am I? I am a pomegranate. I am small, red, and have tiny seeds on my skin. What am I? I am a strawberry. I am green, shaped like a star when cut. What am I? I am a star fruit. I am brown outside, white inside, and full of water. What am I? I am a coconut. I am orange, soft, and have a big seed. What am I? I am a mango. I am purple and grow in bunches. What am I? I am grapes. I am purple, juicy, and used to make wine. What am I? I am grapes. I am green, sour, and round. What am I? I am a lime. I am pink outside and white inside, with little black seeds. What am I? I am a dragon fruit. I am blue, tiny, and very sweet. What am I? I am a blueberry. I am red, small, and grow on a bush. What am I? I am a raspberry. I am yellow, spiky, and very sweet. What am I? I am a pineapple. I am purple or green, and I can be dried into raisins. What am I? I am grapes. I am green outside, purple inside, and sweet. What am I? I am a fig. I am yellow, long, and soft inside. What am I? I am a banana. I am yellow, sour, and oval. What am I? I am a lemon. I am green, long, and people eat me in salads. What am I? I am a cucumber.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.